A store buys an item for $50 and marks it up 100%. What is the price? So in order to determine the price of this product, we have to realize that first of all, the store purchased it at $50. After purchasing it at $50, they raised it 100%. So 50% or $50 and raised 100%, so it's 50 plus another 50 would determine the final price. This is what you will select as your answer on the quiz. You can buy an item for $20 at a store within walking distance. You can buy the same item online for $12 with $10 for shipping. What is the better deal? So in order to solve this problem, we will first make two columns. One column will be the price that you can purchase it in person. $20. The second column will be the price that you will purchase it online. And that price is $12. So you've got $20 and $12. However, you must remember that the price, if you are purchasing it online, comes with a shipping cost of $10. So after you've determined these two, we'll add this to come with 22. And since there's no shipping on the first one, it will stay at $20. And then you will determine which one costs less. You will select that on the quiz. You live in a state with a sales tax of 5%. You buy a car for $15,000. What is the sales tax? So in order to solve this problem, we first must remember that we have a car at the price of $15,000. In order to find the tax on this car, we would need to multiply it by the sales tax. That sales tax was 5%. However, we don't want this in a percent form. We need this in a decimal form. So we're going to divide it by 100 to get 0.05. 5 divided by 100 is 0.05. So we'll take our 15,000 and then we will multiply by 0.05. Once you have determined this is your sales tax. That answer is what you will select on the quiz. You purchase a new smartphone. The cost to you is $39.95 per month for 2 years. Warranty coverage is $12.99 per month. What is the total cost of your phone with the warranty after 2 years? So in order to solve this problem, we have to remember that our phone costs $39.95 per month. And the warranty is $12.99 per month. As you all know that there are 12 months in a year, so we'll multiply both by 12. $39.95 times 12 is 479.40. And then $12.99 times 12 is 155.88. This is the cost after 1 year. However, the question says, how much is the cost after 2 years? So we'll multiply both by 2. And $479.40 multiplied by 2 is $958.80. And then 155.88 multiplied by 2 is $311.76. What we'll do next is add the 2, and then your answer from there is what you will select on the quiz. You are shopping online for a new TV. The ones you want cost $2,500. You live in New York, where the state sales tax is 8.49%. Your sister lives a short distance over the border in Connecticut, where the state sales tax rate is 6.35%. If you have the TV shipped to her and you pick it up, how much will you save? In order to determine this problem, we have to remember that our TV cost $2,500. We're going to make two columns with this, one for the New York and then one for Connecticut. Okay, so, and then we'll multiply by the sales tax. Sales tax in New York is 8.49, or in decimal form is 0.0849. So multiply by 0.0849. And then in Connecticut, the sales tax is 6.35%, which in decimal form is 0.0635. You'll multiply both. When you multiply 2,500 by 0.0849, it's $212.25. This is the amount of sales tax that you would have to pay if you were having the TV shipped to New York. However, if you're having it shipped to Connecticut, 2,500 times 6.35%, or 0.0635, is $158.75. Since you want to be able to find the difference, how much more you would have to pay if you shipped it to New York, you would take 212.25 and subtract the price from Connecticut, 158.75. And then the answer you would get here is what you would submit on the quiz. You purchased 6 items at the $2 store, costing $1.98, 59 cents, $2.99, 99 cents, $2.49, and 49 cents. What is the mean price of your purchased items? First of all, we have to remember that mean means the average price. So what we're going to do first is just take a tally of all of the items that we purchased. First one cost $1.98. The next one was 59 cents. The next one was $2.99. The fourth was 99 cents. The fifth was $2.49. and the sixth was 49 cents. We will add all of these up. We get a total of $9.53. We also have to remember, by taking the average, we have to know how many items we actually purchased. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We purchased a total of 6 items. We'll take our 9.53 divided by 6. This answer is what you will select on the quiz. Your local pizza restaurant offers free delivery with an expected 15% tip for the delivery person. Your pizza will cost $15.95 plus 7% sales tax. What is your total cost? To solve this problem, we'll take the original price of the pizza and then a shortcut to find the total amount of the pizza plus the sales tax is to multiply, if it's 7%, convert that to 1.07. So $15.95 times 1.07 leaves you with 17.0665. Now we'll round this, since we're talking about money, we're going to round that to 17.07. Now that's your total price with the sales tax. However, keep in mind that we needed to add a 15% tip for the delivery driver. So again, if it's 15%, we're just going to convert that by 1.15. So 1707 times 1.15 leaves you with the answer that you will select on the quiz. Your annual clothing bill went up from $677 last year to $783.17 this year. What is your annual percent of increase from last year to this year? So in order to find out this problem, we take what our current annual clothing cost is. $783.17. And then we subtract our previous years, which is $677.15. The difference of these is 106.02. So you are now paying $106.02 more than you did last year. We're not quite finished. We need to take this number and divide it by the amount we paid last year, which was $677.15. And then we'll take that answer multiplied by 100 to find your solution. This is what you will have as your answer on the quiz. A storm in Texas has shut down several oil refineries, creating a national shortage of gasoline. Sunoco has announced that they will have to raise the price of gasoline by 12%. Gasoline is currently $3.05 per gallon. You buy 15 gallons per week. How much will your gas bill increase per week? All right, so in order to solve this problem, we remember that we are buying 15 gallons per week. And then we will multiply that 15 by the cost of the gallon. So 15 times 3.05 leaves you with $45.75. This is what you would normally be paying without the price increase. However, since there is a price increase of 12%, we take our 45.75 and we will multiply that by 1.12. Remember I had 12%, we will multiply that by 1.12. So 45.75 times 1.12, excuse me, is 51.24. So then in order to solve the problem and to figure out how much more you will be paying, you will take the 51.24 and subtract what you normally would pay, subtract 45.75, and you'll come up with the answer you'll select on the quiz. bought 3 loaves of bread. They're on sale at 3 for the price of 2. Normally, they are $1.89 each. You notice the next day that 2 loaves were moldy. You returned them. What should your refund be? In order to solve this problem, we have to first remember that we're buying 2 for the price of 3. The price of 1 is $1.89. Since we're buying 2 for the price of 3, we will multiply this by 2. 189 times 2 is 378. However, please remember that we are actually getting 3 for that price. So we will need to take this 378 divided by 3 leaves you with $1.26 per loaf. Since 2 of those loaves were growing green things, we need to return 2 of them. So we're going to take the price, $1.26 is what we actually paid for 1 of the loaves. Multiply that by the 2 green leaves, or green growing leaves. 126 times 2 is what you will select as your answer on the quiz.